Hi there, my name is Anna Malamon and I wanted to really quickly take a few minutes. I don't want to waste any of your time, and I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain in your ClickFunnels account. So I'm going to do it right there with you. I will go ahead and share my screen and show you exactly what to do. So let's start this. Okay, let's go ahead and go into we need to go into our CloudFlare account, don't we? Let's do that really quick. Yes, sweetheart.
Can we go walk now?
Give me just 5 minutes, okay, sweetie?
What? What did you say?
Give me a few minutes.
Can I bike around?
In just a moment, okay? So all you do is go to add site. I'm sorry about that. I have kids. I work at home. That's how it works. So all you do is put in your domain in here. So what I'm going to do is you don't put no www or HTTP. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to type in my domain. And then you just click begin scan. You can't go by yourself, sweetie. Wait for me. So give me a moment. Okay, so while it's scanning, I'm kind of happy for it to scan. Can you guys are welcome to go outside, okay? Only in the front yard, okay? Okay, it's almost done. I'm so sorry, but hey, it's gonna happen to you as well. You're gonna have to wait just as much. So while we're waiting, okay, boom, it's done. So we're gonna do continue setup. Okay, so what you need to do is right now is just delete any of them that are C name or A name records with your own domains. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it, this one and this one, because right now they were pointing somewhere else. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a few new ones. So the first one we're going to do is the C name. And the name we're going to put at. Domain name is target.clickfunnels.com. Okay, and we're gonna click add a record, and then we're gonna do same thing, one more. Oops, not there. No, Ben, it's okay. No, it's okay. Oh boy, sorry about that. Target, no. Okay. I'll show you my kids as soon as I can here. As soon as we do this. So okay, so there we go. We added 2 of those, and what we're gonna do is we will hit once we're done, we're gonna do this to both of these that we've just added, and we're gonna click continue. And just choose a free website, you know, unless you really want to pay, go for it. I would not recommend it because I don't do that, so I have no idea. And now what we need to do is we need to go to our registrar, wherever you're registered, or your web host. And I've already prepared. I'm here at my GoDaddy because that's what I'm using. And I will change name servers right here. This is what we need to change. So you just click on manage. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit custom. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to here And let's see if I can copy that, paste. That's the easiest thing to do instead of just sitting there and copy, paste. Say okay, it's validating. Okay, and we're just gonna click save. And that's all that we have to do here. While we're doing that, we will hit continue here. So here it is. It's pending, and we know that it's doing whatever it's supposed to do. You can click on recheck name servers, and sometimes it can take up to a few hours because it is with your domain server or web host. Oh, see, I can't even check it every. So while we're waiting, we're gonna click on page rules up here at the top, and we will create a page rule. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our. I'm gonna go ahead and put in our domain, and we do put. It tells us right there that we do www. newtrafficstrategy.com/ and then we do the trafficstrategy.com. Okay. And so what we're also going to do is we're going to add a setting, which we're going to be doing a forwarding URL. And we're going to choose the 301. And then for this one, we're going to do HTTPS newtraffic.com/$1. And this is just the way you have to do it. These are actually the specific rules that you have to follow. Okay, and once we do that, we're good. And then we just go up to crypto right here, and we also want to just double check that our SSL is selected to full. And then I believe that's all that we've got to do here. We can just recheck the name servers. Okay, so they're still working on it. That's no problem. We're not going to worry about it because we already did it here. Although I did not save it, did I? Or why didn't it do it? Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to show you while it's pending or doing whatever it's supposed to be doing, sorry about that. Let's see. We're going to go into ClickFunnels, and in your accounts, you just select custom domains. I'm already there. So what we're going to do is add a new domain. And in here, we don't need to put any www or anything like that. We just type it in. Strategy.com. Our root URL, we're going to do a web an opt-in page. So let's take a look if I can find. I'm just going to select them both. And then we do want to enable our SSL settings. And create domain. Looks like it's done. And then we're going to go to our funnels. If you don't use ClickFunnels, you should. It's pretty cool. It's very easy to use and but very professional. So this is the training that I'm going to go into right now. And so in our settings, what we want to do is add this new domain. And okay, that's perfect. So now what we're gonna do is in publishing, we're gonna select our domain as well. And here I'm also gonna say Snap. I'll just say Snapchat. Update. And the last thing, well, one of the last things, we're gonna go here and select our domain once again. And I will also say Snapchat. And I will update the page. And so when we go into the page, it should already technically be in there, but we'll just double check. So in our settings, custom domain, and it is set to new traffic strategy. So that is pretty much it. I will save it and exit. Hey Ben, where's Liana? Okay. Well, this is my son. This is who's been bugging me. So anyways, I will post other trainings that are helpful to you. So if there's one that you specifically want to see, let me know. Otherwise, I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope that really helped you out. Thank you. See you later.